Today we're going to take a look at an outdoor LED light. This is a waterproof LED light for outdoors. This is very durable for any environment, rain or shine. It's very secure inside. We're going to open it up and we're going to set it up too. So now just to let you guys know, some of these things are a little heavier. Now this is not a normal light. It's a little heavy because it does have heavy duty plastic and well built in metal. So we're going to hang this up, and of course they give you screw areas where to hang it up and how to punch it down, and of course they give you the padding in case you have a very sensitive area or wood that you need to set it up. So we're going to set this up and see how it looks at night. Okay, so right now we just opened it up. You're going to need the hot, the neutral, and also the ground. All right, now to drill this in, you could punch holes in here. I was able to remove the top, and make sure you put these seals back because this is going to make it water resistant, waterproof. All right, there's a seal here and there's also a seal in the back that you need to put in here. Right, so nothing to see in the back. I just opened it up so you guys can see it and where I'm going to drill the holes at. All right, let's take a look at the light itself. Right now it's day to night mode. All right, the sensor, the cabling was not that bad. You could hide this or you could send this to the back of the wall, however you want. Waterproof seals. So these are stainless steel screws. You're not going to be able to use magnets to set it up. So you basically just hold it down for a couple minutes, and it's gonna, from day to night, it should turn on automatically. We're gonna test this out. We're gonna put some tape here, or actually we're gonna turn off the lights in here so you guys can see the full amount and how bright this thing is. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out in a bit. All right, so we're gonna turn off the lights in here to see how bright it is. Right now it's bright. If you guys can see, I have my 10. I'm working on my 10, and I like to come in and just have the light turn on me by myself. So we're gonna turn off the light here, and the sensor should kick in right now. There it is. Took a couple seconds, so we're gonna turn it on again, the light. So it's daytime. In the night, it takes about maybe a second or so, a couple seconds, and then it just kicks in as soon as it distinguishes the lights off. So this is a little bright. Step back a little bit, completely turn on the light so you guys can see some of the stuff. Turn it on. There it is. Very bright light. This will light up your entire area, work area, entrance, hallway. Right now it's lighting up this whole entire area here. But very simple, easy to install. Hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.